What are 3 ways to say hello in Spanish? Hi, it's Marta in Spanish, and I'm so happy you're here with me to learn Spanish. So let's get into the video. What 3 ways do you know to say hello in Spanish? We have the first one, hola. Hola, ¿qué tal estás? Hi, how are you? We have another one, we can say, ¿qué tal? Okay, same thing. We can omit hola and only say, ¿qué tal? Okay, another one. And the last one we're going to learn today, although this one could be 3 different ones, okay, it's buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches. So, buenos días, good morning, buenas tardes, good afternoon, buenas noches, good evening. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget that I have many other free videos for you to watch if you want to learn Spanish. And remember, if you want to get your Spanish to the next level, be sure to check down below the link to my 12 video lesson course, okay? And if you want it and you join, I will give you only for this week 20% off, okay? So don't forget to check down below the link for the course, and if you have any doubt, just send me a DM or an email. See you in my next one. Bye!